Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sports and recreation to answer a question that might have crossed your mind during a game of bowling. How much does a bowling pin weigh? Let's find out. First off, let's get straight to the answer. According to the United States Bowling Congress, USBC, the official weight of a bowling pin must be between 3 pounds 6 ounces and 3 pounds 10 ounces. Yes, you heard that right, just over 3.5 pounds. Now, you might be wondering why this specific weight range is important. Well, the weight of a bowling pin plays a crucial role in the dynamics of the game. It affects how easily the pins are knocked down and how they interact with each other when hit by the bowling ball. It's also worth noting that bowling pins are usually made of hard maple wood and coated with a plastic material. This construction ensures durability and consistent performance. You might also be interested to know that the dimensions and weight of bowling pins are strictly regulated to maintain the integrity of the sport. Any variations could significantly impact the game's outcome. In summary, a bowling pin weighs between 3 pounds 6 ounces and 3 pounds 10 ounces, as per USBC regulations. This weight is critical for the dynamics of the game and is standardized to ensure fair play. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.